Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ram Queen. Today we are going to be making Zobo drink. Zobo drink is a very refreshing drink, which I'm going to be showing you how I make mine now. So these are the ingredients that I'm going to be using. I have my hibiscus leaf, orange, pineapple, lemon, lime, and ginger. At this point, I'm going to be washing all the fruits. So guys, please make sure you wash it very well to get rid of all the sand and dirty on it. Right now, I'll be washing the hibiscus leaf. Make sure you wash it very well because we don't know where these hibiscus leaves have been to. At this very point, I'm going to be cutting the fruits. So guys, this is the hibiscus leaf in the pan. I'm going to be pouring the fruit in. I'm going to be adding water as well. I'll be adding some sweetener for taste. I'll cover it and leave it to cook for 25 minutes. So guys, the Zobo drink is ready. So I'm just going to drain it and allow it to cool for 15 minutes and pour it into a bottle. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share. And also hit that notification bell so that you will be the first person to know whenever I upload any new video. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on my next video. Bye.